To wake up, deal with a nigga wake up 2 in the morning. Look at this shit. It's so motherfucking cold, cuz. Look at this shit. Boy, I ain't even trying to hop out. Boy, I gotta go get some gas. Boy, I'm not finna goddamn get no gas right now, boy. What the fuck? Look at this shit. Shit. I ain't no heavy snow going on, but shit, it rain mixed with snow, so the road's slippery, so shit, they gotta drive real slow. But I would've thought it would've been snow on the ground. I'm glad it ain't snow on the ground though, but it is snowing. Cold as hell. But yeah, man, I'm on the route on my drop right now. Finna see what they talking about. Yeah, man, I fucked up bad. I fucked up bad. The reason why I say that is I woke up at 6, you feel me? Got up, hit the road, and she got ready to hit the road and shit like that. But did the worst thing. I should have about like 5 or 4 or some shit, man. Look at traffic. Traffic thicker than a bitch. On me. I should've got my ass unkilled, you feel me? I should've got up sooner, bro. Did the bad thing that be about it, bro. When traffic be going this fucking slow, bro. Like, bro, I hate that shit, fool. Like, the water is already snowing and shit. Then you got goddamn traffic thick as hell. That the bad thing that come with this shit, bro. When traffic goddamn be packed like this, bro. I'm in Richmond right now. I'm in Richmond, Virginia right now. I gotta go like to a city like an hour away. Like goddamn, it closed by Washington. Like the place I gotta go to still in Virginia, but it closed to Maryland. And, like that shit like down the street from Washington and shit like that, bro. Like, but yeah, major cities be fine driving through, but bro, like sightseeing, like that shit be fire, but man, going through these bitches, oh my god, like hell no, man. Whole time, this why traffic moving slow right here. Whole time. I don't even know what they doing. It's somebody rich. They get the city. Whole time, did what they doing, bro. Like, cuz, you gon' see this shit so often. Yeah, somebody wrecked, cuz. Somebody that damn wrecked early in the fucking morning, cuz. You know what I'm saying? But look at the city, though. The city nice, though. Richmond cool little vibe. But yeah, though, bro, like you slowing up goddamn traffic and shit. Your ass out this bitch wrecking early in the fucking morning, cuz. Niggas finna be sound. It finna be sound. Motherfuckers already slipping, sliding, wrecking into each other and shit, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. The traffic flowing smoother than the bitch. Traffic flowing. Motherfucker wrecking this damn earth shit. Stay your ass at the house. See what I'm saying? Early out the damn wake up, stay your ass in the house. This shit. Got another one. God damn. Your butt at 5 for sure. Damn. Goddamn police car stuck out this bitch. Yeah, they ain't bullshitting today. Monday morning, they said Monday the goddamn rough start to the week. Nah, you hear me? Ooh. I know everybody having a bad day. God damn. Ooh. Golly, man. Shit. And we gotta get some gas and deal before we keep on. God, it white as fuck, shawty. God damn. God damn. Shit. Got another one. Hey, damn, fender gone. Damn. Good, how the fuck, dude? God damn. Bad up this way. Bruh, ain't no way, cuz, boy. Ain't no parking lot down there no more, fool. What the fuck? Woo! Feel like I'm in an article. Got my boots on, you know. I ain't used to this, boy. No, I ain't used to this. It's cold. I'm ready to go back home. Then you go ahead and get back summertime. Shit. Then the wind blowing and raining. Snow thick like a fat bitch. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead and lay it on down. But so. Snow got my shit dirty as fuck. It's still snowing. Tight shit. Oh, God damn. But yo, man, I'm finna hit the gym. You can't really see, but yo, man, we finna go hit the gym, finna go hit Planet Fitness. I made it my drop yesterday, but I couldn't unload it because the docks filled up with snow. And they said come back today. Came back, snow still covered up the dock, so they just said come back tomorrow, it should be finished or whatever, but I was like, man, I'm trying to go ahead and get out of here, man. I ain't fooling with no snow. So you feel me? I'm finna go hit the gym, get a quick little pump in. Well, really a goddamn good ass pump in for real. I ain't going nowhere. Oh shit! I almost fell, but yeah, man, I'm finna chill and get that work in, and then head back and chill for the rest of the day tomorrow, man. Sick of this snow. I can't lie. Back out to man, you feel me? Just got done working out type shit. Feel me? Got a quick little leg day in. Gotta get my leg right, man. I got chicken leg, cuz, you hear me? But yeah, man, it's still cold in the motherfucker, man. That's my first time going and playing fitness, cuz. I don't like that motherfucker. I don't like that gym. I don't like Planet Fitness. Well, probably just that location though. I ain't gonna lie, somebody was in that big goddamn mustier than an onion pad. Boy, they were, oh shit. Boy, they was sour head in that big boy, stinking fucking that whole cuz. That shit almost made me throw up, had my stomach hurting. Oh God. I think he was a big nigga, cuz. Man, that nigga was smelling. Man, I ain't even trying to talk about nobody, but yeah, man. But anyway, I'm finna go back to the truck stop. Hold on, dog. I'm trying to walk careful, man. That ice got me, you know. But yeah, man, I'm finna go back to the truck stop. Bathe my ass, grab me something to eat. And I'm tired of today and get it crunked back up tomorrow, bro. Hopefully I can leave. Hopefully, you feel me? They got that ice cleared up. So I'm tired of being down that bit, dog. Cuz, look at this shit. Oh. It's a... Okay! What? I bet y'all ain't know I know how to talk seagull. I know how to talk to the birds, you hear me? I think that's a seagull. I don't know, that bit thick, though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I bet y'all ain't know that. I know how to talk to the birdies. The birdies. You dig? Yeah, man. Yeah. Finally pulling up where I gotta be at, man. You know. Gotta put these little. Yeah, man. I might swerved in the corner. Oh, oh God. Nigga swagger that bitch, you hear me? Oh, V. Let shit go. You wanna stroll. Hey, boy, that nigga snapped on that bitch. No cap. Ha. Woo!
We need right there. That tell me that wasn't no bar. That wasn't no bar. Nigga.
Shit.
We sealing the deal, I'm making them happy, yeah, I gotta be fair. Watching out for the people don't mean no good, yeah, you gotta beware. I'ma play my cards right, put my team on, I hope that you be there. Hustle all I know, yeah, I gotta get it. Hit a little bit to the curb, cause a little bit started tripping. Coming different like every time, no, I ain't trying to fit in. I done touched 100 ball, now I gotta touch 1 million. This shit going through the roof, now I ain't got no ceilings. You done cut me deep, damn, I ain't got no feelings. Yo, bitch on my dick, but you know that I be on that P shit. Raw and uncut, I ain't finna tweak shit.